Ngokuqhubeka kwakhangela amankengane Inkonzo yesikhumbuzo seNdlovukazi uMantfombi shiyiwe Dlamini Zulu kwase bekhulumile kukhona amazinyane eNdlunkulu undunankulu wesizwe samaZulu ake siphose intambo esigodlweni sicoshe bukhoma lenkonzo yesikhumbuzo.
Ngifisa uqala ngokubingelela kwabasiphathele uhlelo MEC uNkonyeni nomntwana Hlakanipho Zulu. Ngibingelele ngokukhulu ukusithoba kwindlunkulu yonke kaZulu, omama besilo, amazinyane esilo wonke, omne wabo nodade wabo besilo, nabo bonke basendlunkulu. Ngibingelele indlunkulu yonke yaseSwatini kwaNgwane, iholwa umntana enkosi uGoduza, siyabingelela. Former President wezwe Baba former President Jacob Zuma Nxamalala, Your Highness Prince Buthelezi, Inkosi engusihlalo wendlu yamakhosi lapha kwaZulu Natal ngubonduna Inkosi uChiliza. Ngifisa futhi ukubingelela bonke ubukhosi nezizwe zonke ezikhona kuhlukene ngokwezizwe ezisambele namuhla. Cela ukubingelela with respect uNgqongqoshe uNkosazana Dlamini Zuma nabo bonke ominister esinabo namuhla abasingathile. Ngibingelele MEC bonke abakhona, ngokunjalo nosomlomo wakwaZulu Natal umama uNontembeko Boys, District Mayor osiphathele lomkhandlu walapha eZululand Shenge, ngokunjalo nomeya bonke abakhona namakhansela onke akhona, abaphathi kubasebenzi bakahulumeni, Director General Dr. Mkhize, Provincial Commissioner of SABC General Mkhwanazi. Ngibingelele kubaholi bonke bezenkolo nabezindaba nabo bonke. Ngifisa ukubingelela kwisizwe sonke basizwe sakwaZulu nabantu bonke base South Africa. Zulu omnyama ondlela zimhlophe, siphinde safa olwembiza, ulwandle lwasha lwaphenduka ugwadule, ihlobo laphenduka ubusika emini bebade, inala yakhomba isomiso, nakhu siphinda sihlangana ngobuhlungu nendlu indlunkulu kaPhunga noMageba enkonzweni yesikhumbuzo seNdlovukazi umntana enkosi. Singuhulumeni walapha kwaZulu Natal, siyafisa ukuzwelana nendlunkulu yethu. Similana namuhla amehlo ethu abovu agcwele izinyembezi ngokudlula komntwana enkwenkosi. Sidlulisa ukubonga esizweni sonke sase South Africa nabantu bonke bakwaZulu Natal ngokuxhasa nokududuza indlunkulu ngalesi sikhathi igumbezelwe lelifu elimnyama. Asingabazi ukuthi igwalagwala okaSobhuza ubezoba insika ezobopha uZulu anganyakaziswa. Amathe abuyele kwaSifuba, sidumele sikhihla esikanandi, nakhu sekudilike wona umthangala benguni, umthangala ebesithi siyophephela kuwo. Sithi nina besilo, nani bakwaNgwane, lalani ngenxeba. Indlela yethu sonke le, uma ke sekunje kusuke ngasekho thina esingakwenza kepha ukuba sihloniphe ngendlela eyiyo uma sesilapha ihubo linye esingaluhuba yihubo lokuweza abanqobi asebenqobe iliba ithuna ngakho sithi wela gwalagwala wela samkethi wela sidlubula dledle sikalombamba lesithi sipha sibe sibadlubulisa. Compatriots, since we received the tragic news that our regent queen has taken a final breath, has gone to join her ancestors and our beloved king, we have been comforted by the outpouring of love and messages of condolences. While Her Majesty's demise was too sudden and occurring while the royal family was still mourning the passing away of Isilo Samabandla Onke, we have been consoled by the heartfelt testimonies revealing that Her Majesty touched countless people. She will be fondly missed for her humility, compassion, and kind deeds. Although of royal blood and married to our departed king, uMntanenkosi carried herself with quite dignity and respect. Our beloved king respected commoners in the same manner that she accorded respect to royalty, presidents, and superstars. She represented the Emaswati nation and Amazulu nation with grace and distinction. She lived by our people's philosophy that umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu. Everyone or everybody is somebody. Akekho okumele abukelwe phansi. She touched the life of young girls, and today we said young girls who were fortunate to meet and interact with her possess fond memories of fine, loving African queen. Community development and women empowerment was Her Majesty's passion. The Queen was tireless in raising funds to uplift the less fortunate and to contribute to the well-being of orphans. It troubled her to know that there are families who struggle to buy school uniform and that we had children who had to walk to schools without shoes. Brought up as a Christian, Her Majesty earlier reconciled her Christian life with African spirituality. Many of those who benefited from her charitable work will not grab headlines because she was not competing for spotlight. Her Majesty the Queen was deeply rooted in the culture of Ubunguni people and was always a weapon that empowers culturally and ensures social cohesion and economic emancipation. Our regent queen is credited for working jointly with Isilo Samabandla in the 80s in reviving Umkhosi Womhlanga and Reed Dance. The passing away of Indlovukazi kusikhumbuza ukuthi omama baneqhaza abakwazi ukulibamba esizweni. Siyafisa ukutsho ukuthi asingabazi ukuthi Isilo Samabandla uma sithi Indlovukazi uMntanenkosi makube nguye oyibamba sasingasukeli nje ekutheni sibona ngokwaso kodwa kungenxa yokuappreciate nokubonga ubuholi babantu besifazane futhi siyazi ukuthi uBhejane ephuma esiqiwini wayekwenza lokhu azi ukuthi Indlovukazi izoba namandla okwenza kodwa futhi wayithembe kakhulu ukuthi indlunkulu yonke iyawukumeseka. Ubayede ube isibonelo ngokudemonstrate ngezenzo ukuthi iSouth Africa ingakwazi ukwakha izwe elilinganayo la abantu besifazane nabesilisa bethathwa ngokulingana noma kusemasontweni kukuhulumeni noma kukhulunywa ngobukhosi imbala. Kodwa ke yena yedwa siyazi ukuthi emlandweni wezizwe ezikhona baningi ababe neqhaza besifazane. Siyazi ukuthi umlando uyasitshena ukuthi umntwana uMkabayi kaJama wasibamba isizwe sikaZulu.
Lowo bekundunankulu esifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal umnumzana uSihle Zikalala ekhuluma enkonzweni yesikhumbuzo seNdlovukazi uQueen Mantfombi Dlamini Zulu.